Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your Microsoft Surface Studio laptop work faster. So let's start with changing the power mode, which we can do by going to the control center, clicking the power icon, and then changing the power mode of our device from recommended to best performance. We can apply this mode for plugged in and on battery state. Besides, let's also check the processes running on our device. Right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and here you can easily check the device, the applications and processes that clog up your device's CPU and memory usage. As you can see, we can easily get rid of the processes that interfere with our device's productivity by simply right-clicking the application that we don't need and selecting End Task to turn it off. Besides, let's return to Task Manager and also check the startup applications right here on the sidebar. Let's sort them by status, see which ones are enabled, and if you see the applications that you don't really need on this list, you can right-click an application and select Disable. This way you will not only prevent this application from starting up along with your computer, which will speed up your device's startup time, but it will also let you have one application less running in the background. And besides, we can easily check our device's health and boost it using the Diagnostic Toolkit, which should be pre-installed but for some reason is not, and therefore we can easily install it from the Microsoft Store. Just open it, search for Surface Diagnostic Toolkit, open this applications page, download the app and run it, and let it diagnose your device and boost it in case you need to boost. Besides, also make sure to check the settings of your application. Go to Windows Update and install all the essential updates for your device right here. Don't forget to check the advanced options, optional updates, and see whether you have any driver updates on this page. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.